Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwe's second lady, Colonel Minnie Thabo, says it's never too late to start the weight loss journey. Minnie says her weight loss journey had been gradual and she lost around 12 to 13 kgs in a year, an average of 1 kg per month. She says she started at 83 kgs and didn't even have the confidence to post that she had started her journey. After losing 2 kgs, she says she got confident and that's when she started posting. Now she says that she's around 70 kgs, which is her ideal BMI weight, and is making sure that she maintains it. While encouraging other people, Minnie says it's never too late to start the weight loss journey, sharing that she had to change her diet by cutting sugars and starch, a bit of exercise, enough water, intermittent fasting, and sleeping 7 to 8 hours a day. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.